COVID-19. AstraZeneca paused vaccine clinical study due to adverse event. Pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca suspended its clinical study of the AZD1222 COVID-19 vaccine. Phase 3 clinical trials are on pause because of a suspected serious adverse reaction from one participant. The vaccine, co-developed by University of Oxford, is being reviewed to accurately determine its role in the adverse reaction. Currently, the participant is expected to recover from the unprecedented event. According to STAT, the company's spokesperson confirmed the pause, which initiated a review of safety data. Investigators in Phase 3 clinical trials must review available data to determine if the adverse event occurred elsewhere. Dozens of study sites were established in the US for the experimental vaccine, and each site would be reviewed. The adverse event happened on a UK site. The cause and nature of the reaction were not instantly understood, but the situation is affecting all COVID-19 vaccine clinical trials by AstraZeneca. While pauses on clinical trials are not uncommon, the unexpected development will slow down AstraZeneca's progress, especially without knowing how long the pause will last. Investigators in the trial and the Data and Safety Monitoring Board are now examining data to find the likely cause. They also need to find an explanation for the nature of this adverse event. Once the review is done, the board may decide to resume or stop the clinical study if the vaccine fails the safety measures. At this time, either side cannot reveal the details regarding the adverse event. The company said in a statement to CNBC, "This is a routine action which has to happen whenever there is a potentially unexplained illness in one of the trials, while it is investigated, ensuring we maintain the integrity of the trials." Participants in clinical trials are made aware of potential side effects and adverse events from experimental drugs. As much as possible, drug makers limit the side effects of experimental drugs to a minimum. Meaning, the side effects are considered mild, like pain at the injection site, weakness, and a low fever. But there are rare cases of severe side effects or serious adverse reactions. If the vaccine is not connected to the adverse reaction, the clinical study may proceed. If the adverse event is identified in several participants, the experimental vaccine may be subjected to further review. All parties involved must learn if the vaccine can still be used safely to fight the pandemic.